So I'm going to start off with two of my favorite products by Benefit Cosmetics, which we have the Precisely Brow Pencil, and then we have the Brow Gel Pencil. So I'm going to start with the Brow Gel Pencil, and as you can see, it's just laying them down perfectly. All right, so now that the brows are nice and dry, take this 4.5 Precisely Brow Pencil and just lightly in the areas where I need the most help. Now you can use primer, but you guys know that I love to use concealer for my lids because it just color corrects and the eyeshadow does stick and last. So I'm going to begin with the Rebel palette, and they are just so freaking pretty, and I'm going to focus. I'm gonna use this shadow right here on my crease. First, we're going to apply some tape, starting from the outer edge of my eye, and then bringing it up. There we go. Okay, so we're gonna apply some concealer, and I'm using the Maybelline 20 concealer, which is color Sand. It is on the pigmented side, so make sure you tap it. Now I'm going to bring it on the inner corner and outwards in circle motion, bringing it close to my brow bone area, and there you guys have it. This one's super easy. I do need to plug my brows, but it's okay. All right, so now I'm going to take this shade right here. It's a little bit on the darker side. I'm going to take a pencil brush like this. It's more defined, it has like a tip. I'm gonna grab that shadow. I'm going to focus that shadow on the outer V of my eye, getting a V shape, making sure I get my lash line as well. We'll start off with a little bit and then build it up. Bringing it outward so it can look nice and defined and elongated. A little bit on the crease, not that much. Right here. Take a little bit of my concealer, apply it to my crease right here. And then with a flat shader brush like this, I don't have to do that, like this, I am going to lightly just pat my lid, or like cutting the crease. You see how I'm grabbing the brush on the crease and like cleaning up that area, so you can see that nice precise line, not so much. Now you can leave it like this, apply a little bit of setting powder or a lighter shade of eyeshadow, but I'm going to add a little bit of sparkle, and I'm going to be applying this one right here. Come on, focus. There we go. So I'm guessing I'm just using one palette. I'm not gonna need this palette, maybe, I'm not sure. So I'm gonna grab that, press it down onto my lid. And there you have it. So on the bottom of my lid, I'm going to grab the dark shade right here, this gorgeous brown. I'm going to apply that on to the bottom of my lash line. I'm not gonna go all the way in. I feel like that's more of the nighttime. I'm just gonna go half, like I did half on the top. I'm doing this with brown because I feel like it will be perfect for the daytime. If I were to go at night as a wedding guest, then I would do the same thing, but I would add a little bit of black shadow. All right, so now onto the fun part. I feel like this is the type of makeup I have done a lot when I used to do freelance because it's so easy. I mean, it's easy for me, and the outcome is just so freaking beautiful. It's nice and polished, and look, it's freaking affordable, girl. Coating my lashes using one of my favorite mascaras this whole year, I'm guessing, and it's the Panorama L'Oreal mascara. For my lashes, I'm going to be using this Ardell lashes, and this ones are the Wispies. I can't find my other ones. I showed you guys on my community tab some recent ones, but okay, so this is how the lashes look on. I feel like I cut them too small, but it's okay. So I'm taking an eyeliner, black eyeliner, and I'm gonna apply that to my top waterline so you don't see that space, empty space between them. Okay, so I'm not really finished with the eyes yet. I still have to add mascara and then outline my inner corners, but I'm gonna begin with the face. so then I can finish the eye. So I'm gonna apply this. I'm almost done with it. This is the anti-aging cream by Regelica. My bad, Regelica. So I'm gonna apply that on the tips of my fingers, and then. So I've been seeing this product trending again, the NYX, the Marshmallow Primer, and I want to try it again. Give it another chance, just to see, because you guys know that I don't use primers on my face except if it's going to blur my pores. I mean, they can add SPF on this thing if it's so thick. All right, now that is nice and set, and I am going to use this Wet n Wild Stick Foundation. Girl, let me show you. I am out. Like, I'm out of it, but I'm gonna make it work. I'm gonna grab some, whatever I have left. I'm literally scraping it. That's how much I love it. Okay, so now, since this is on the creamy side, I'm gonna wet my brush. You see my Makeup Fixing Mist. And then going to blend this. All right, you guys, look at that. I'm gonna add my concealer that I started with. Okay, so now I'm going to blend that. You see my favorite brush from Sigma. So I'm just setting this everywhere. I was going to cream contour and blush, but keeping it simple. For blush, I'm going to be using this blush palette by e.l.f. and it looks like this. Let me show you guys. I'm going to focus on this color right here. I'm gonna apply that right here. This will make my face look nice and elongated. A little bit on the nose. Now, for blush, I'm also using a drugstore blush. I still have powder on the face, it's okay. I'm using the Wet n Wild Queensland bronzer, like this. Grabbing some of that and applying it right here, right here, right here, on the top of my forehead. Look at that. Ooh, you see that? And then I'm gonna apply it to my nose as well, to contour that. I'm removing all that powder I had. I fixed my lash as well. I'm going to reapply a little bit of that blush again. And now I'm going to apply mascara on my bottom lashes. Oh, there goes my lash again. I'm gonna take that darker shadow and I'm going to outline. I'm gonna apply a little bit on my tear dot just to make this look more, you see? More, how do you say this? More exotic. A little line, and it makes a difference big time. Now I'm going to set my makeup and I'm using the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. I'm gonna cover my eyes for this. And you guys know the drill. Having my foundation brush and just tapping that. I feel like I have a little hair somewhere. I can't see it. Okay, so make sure you guys look in the description box because I'm gonna add everything that I'm using for the lips, or I'll maybe make a short video. And here you guys have the final product. I feel like it looks so beautiful, put together, timeless, classy, and so easy to recreate, girl. I know you got this. Remember, everything that I use on my lips, I will put it down below. But thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to leave me your comments down below because that helps me out so much when you guys interact. If you guys didn't know, when you guys leave a comment, it just lets YouTube know, hey, this channel is not dead. But make sure you guys subscribe and like this video for more videos like this, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye bye.